Hey guys! In this video I am unboxing Honor Note 10. Honor Note 10 runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with EMUI 8.2 on top and features a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with an 18.5:9 aspect ratio. The display panel notably doesn't have the notch design that has largely been trending in the current market. Under the hood, there is a HiSilicon Kirin 970 SoC that supports GPU Turbo, coupled with 6GB and 8GB RAM options. The Honor Note 10 sports a dual rear camera setup that has a 24-megapixel primary sensor and a 16-megapixel secondary sensor along with AIS artificial image stabilization and an LED flash module. Both sensors are equipped with an f1.8 aperture. The rear camera also supports 8 scenes, including indoor and outdoor blue sky, green plants, and night scene among others. For selfies, the handset has a 13-megapixel sensor at the front along with AI modes and a face unlock feature. The Honor Note 10 has 64GB and 128GB storage options that both are expandable via microSD card. In terms of connectivity, the smartphone has 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS/AGPS, NFC, and USB Type-C. There isn't the traditional 3.5mm headphone jack, but the handset comes bundled with a USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter to support regular headphones. There is a rear-facing fingerprint sensor that helps users easily unlock the screen by using their assigned finger. Besides, the smartphone packs a 5000 mAh battery. Subscribe my channel for upcoming updates.